Alright, so you tell everybody, what are you having for your lights out breakfast? Go scoop. Say, oatmeal! Yummy! Oatmeal made on the camping stove. That's some fun oatmeal too. It tastes good and it's fun to play with. You got a little on your tray? No, no, no. No, no, no. Oh, now you might as well. You use your spoon. Spoon goes in. And you take a bite. Good job. Oh, scoop. No, 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 no. No hands. Hands stay out of this. Scoop. Yay! Nice job. No, hands stay out. We don't use hands for this. Spoon.